Welcome to SuiteTrails. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through Tbilisi, uncovering 7 incredible tours and activities that will let you experience the many shades of this beautiful Georgian city. Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description. Number 1. Embark on an immersive group tour through the picturesque landscapes of Georgia, exploring the enchanting destinations of Gadari, Ananori, and Kazbegi on this guided day trip from Tbilisi. Travel in a comfortable Mercedes Sprinter minibus and stay connected along the way with the included onboard Wi-Fi. Be picked up from the activity provider's office in Tbilisi and hop aboard the climate-controlled minibus. Relax on the scenic drive into the majestic Kazbegi Mountains, where the iconic Georgian Trinity Church stands against a backdrop of breathtaking scenery. Admire the thrilling of winter landscapes at the Gadari Ski Resort, which offers an adrenaline-filled experience for adventure enthusiasts. Journey into the past at the medieval Ananori Fortress, a historical gem on the shores of the Aragvi River, showcasing architectural splendor and rich cultural heritage. Savor the perfect blend of adventure and cultural discovery, as Georgia's diverse landscapes and centuries-old history unfold before you. Indulge your sweet tooth by sampling some locally produced honey. After seeing what the buzz is about, have some cha-cha, pumice brandy, a specialty only produced in Georgia. Return to your meeting point in Tbilisi with unforgettable memories of the mountains, winter landscapes, medieval fortresses, and flavors of Georgia. Number 2. Join us for a fun and friendly culinary class in Tbilisi, where you'll learn how to make traditional Georgian dishes like khinkali and khachapuri. Held in a cozy wine bar, we'll provide you with a glass of wine, Georgian cheese, and salad to enjoy while you cook. Afterward, you'll get to savor your delicious creations in a festive atmosphere. Come and experience the flavors of Georgia with us. Number 3. Explore the fascinating landmarks and hidden gems of Tbilisi, including Narikala Church, the monument of Vakhtang Gorgasali, the statue of Mother of Georgia, the Narikala Fortress, and the Sulphur Baths district. Embark on a guided tour, ride the cable car, and taste traditional pie. Your journey starts once you meet your guide in front of the Avlabari metro station entrance. Enjoy a pleasant walk through the old street to Narikala Church. From there, you will continue to explore the city and hear about the history and origins of Tbilisi. As you walk through the old Shardani Street, you will discover an open-air market, Sioni Church, and the unique clock tower of the puppet theater Rezo Gabriadze. Continue on to the Enchizhadi Church and over the Bridge of Peace to reach Reich Park. Here, enjoy the opportunity to travel by cable car and get to the great monument of the Mother of Georgia. Then descend from the mountain through the narrow streets to the Narikala Fortress. You can enjoy magnificent views from the fortress and take memorable photographs of the old part of Tbilisi, Narikala Church, the monument of Vakhtang Gorgasali, and the Sulphur Baths district. After you visit the Sulphur Baths district, you will walk to the waterfall, located in the center of the city. Number 4. Explore Kazbegi, the mountainous region of Georgia. Feel the Caucasian Georgian spirit in the Caucasus Mountains. Take many beautiful pictures, hear exciting parts of the history, try the traditional Georgian dish khinkali, dumpling, discover the most beautiful part of Georgia, and get unforgettable memories. Your first stop is Zhinvali Water Reservoir on the Georgian Military Highway. The Soviets constructed the dam in the 1980s. A wonderful place to take amazing pictures. Visit Ananori Fortress, the seat of the Arastavis, Dukes of Aragvi, a feudal dynasty that ruled the area around the 13th century. See stunning views of the fortress and Zhinvali Reservoir. Have lunch in Pasanauri, the homeland of one of Georgia's traditional foods, khinkali. Admire the friendship monument of Georgian and Russian people in Gadari on the Georgian Military Highway. Contemplate the history of this fascinating monument overlooking Devil's Valley in the Caucasus Mountains. Explore one of the most beautiful places in Georgia, Georgian Trinity Church in Kazbegi. Get a panoramic view of the whole valley from the church, which is one of Georgia's most iconic attractions. Be impressed with the view of Mount Kazbegi, standing 5,047 meters tall. Go to a local luxury hotel and have a cup of coffee in the stylish restaurant while you relax with stunning mountain views. Number 5. Explore Kakheti, the wine region of Georgia, located in the eastern part of the country. Kakheti wine region is an excellent place to visit beautiful sights, try delicious local food, listen to traditional folk songs, study how Georgian wine is made, and have wine degustation. Your first stop is village Badiuri, where guests are welcome to see a local bakery and taste delicious Georgian bread and cheese. The second stop is Bodbi Convent. According to the legend, it is built on the burial place of Saint Nino, a saint for Georgians who converted their religion to Christianity. The site is very spiritual and has impressive views for taking beautiful pictures. Then go to Sinagi, known as the City of Love. You will have a walking tour in Sinan and discover the Great Wall of Georgia. After the walking tour, you can join lunch with a beautiful view of Alazani Valley and try traditional Georgian food. The fourth site of the day is Kariba Winery, the largest of Georgia's wine cellars. Kariba is a unique place with perfect storage conditions for wine, 7.7 kilometers of tunnels, and galleries that maintain a constant temperature of 12-14 degrees 0 C. Listen to traditional Georgian folk songs, have a walking tour in the tunnel, explore the ethnographic museum, get information on how Georgians make wine, and finish it with wine degustation. The last place to visit during the day is Corporation Kinsmarauli. The winery's history dates back to 1533, and it produced wine exclusively for the royal family for much of its history. You have a tour of the winery and wine degustation for 4 different wines. Number 6. Day 1. Yerevan to Tbilisi Express. Farewell to Yerevan. Board the Yerevan to Tbilisi Express at the historic Yerevan railway station. As the train departs, say goodbye to the Armenian capital and admire the scenic views of the Ararat Valley. Watch as the cityscape fades into the countryside, and feel the excitement of your journey ahead. The land of monasteries. As the train winds its way through the Armenian countryside, catch glimpses of ancient monasteries perched on hillsides and the majestic Mount Ararat dominating the horizon. Learn about the rich spiritual heritage of Armenia, and marvel at the architectural wonders of these sacred sites. Sunset over Alaverdi. As the train continues into Georgia, witness the sunset over the Alaverdi region. Marvel at the changing landscapes from the comfort of your train compartment. See the lush green valleys, rolling hills, and quaint villages of Georgia. Feel the contrast between the arid and mountainous Armenia and the fertile and verdant Georgia. Welcome to Tbilisi. Arrive at Tbilisi Central Railway Station, where you'll be greeted by the vibrant atmosphere of Georgia's capital. Transfer to your accommodation for a well-deserved rest or venture into Tbilisi's nightlife to cap off the day. Experience the lively and colorful spirit of this city, and mingle with the friendly and hospitable locals. Day 2. Tbilisi Exploration. Tbilisi City Tour. After a leisurely morning, embark on a guided tour of Tbilisi. Visit iconic landmarks such as Sioni Cathedral and the historic Old Town. Delve into the city's rich history and cultural heritage. See the influences of different civilizations and religions that have shaped Tbilisi over the centuries. Georgian culinary experience. Indulge in a traditional Georgian feast at a local restaurant. Savor the flavors of khachapuri, khinkali, and other delectable Georgian dishes. Taste the variety and complexity of Georgian cuisine, and learn about the traditions and customs that accompany each meal. Sulphur Baths and Shardani Street. Relax in the famous sulphur baths of Abanotubani district. Soak in the healing waters and enjoy the soothing aromas of the baths. Stroll through the lively Shardani Street, known for its vibrant atmosphere and eclectic mix of shops and cafes. Treat yourself to some souvenirs, snacks, or drinks. Departure or extended stay. Bid farewell to Tbilisi or choose to extend your stay in Georgia. If departing, board the return train to Yerevan or continue your exploration of Georgia's enchanting landscapes. Whether you stay or go, you'll have unforgettable memories of your rail journey from Armenia to Georgia. Note: itinerary can be customized based on preferences and travel duration. Additional activities and sightseeing options are available upon request. Visa requirements for border crossing should be arranged in advance. It's also possible to be done from Georgia to Armenia. Number 7. Start your tour at the Aktala Monastery, a church from the 12th century which contains beautiful frescoes and is surrounded by copper smelting caves as well as a copper smelting factory. The second destination of the tour is the Hogpot Monastery, located in Hodpot village and is a UNESCO-listed site. It is one of the most beautiful medieval masterpieces in Armenia. Then you can have lunch and try some traditional Armenian food. Following lunch, you'll make 3 stops on your way to visit the second UNESCO heritage site, Sanahin. The first will be a 13th-century bridge, the second for a debbed canyon with astonishing views, and the third for the Mikoyan Brothers Museum, where an original aircraft, MiG-21, will surprise you. Finally, travel back through the border to Tbilisi. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.